Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. The other day I uploaded a video showing you how to replace the coolant temp sensor on a 2017 to 2022 GMC Canyon and the Chevy Colorado, or at least how to get to it without taking the head off. And I made this tool like this to get it out. You can see it went right over it. It gave you enough room to actually get in there and turn it. Well, I've had a lot of people ask me where they could get one of those or if they could buy one because I mentioned selling them. I started making them. Look at this. This is what I make. It goes right over your coolant temp sensor, and these things right here will be for sale on my website for 90 bucks, which will include priority shipping. I'll make you one of these, and all you need to do is remove the thermostat out of the valley of the 3.6 liter engine on the GMC Canyons and the Chevy Colorados, and then right behind that you're going to find the coolant temp sensor. So if your fans get stuck on while you're driving, as soon as you turn the engine on and the fans turn on, that's what was happening with this sensor. It was going bad. I replaced this sensor. That was about 2.5 months ago, and it has not done it again, so I'm thinking the sensor was bad. Now go over to scottishobbies.com/products or look for a link in the description below to get over to buy one of these tools to remove this coolant temp sensor. But if you're going to remove this, you're really going to want to pick up one of these tools from my website to get the job done. Go check it out. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Good luck on your coolant temp sensor repair on this GMC Canyon or Chevy Colorado. I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.